Welcome back to another episode where I unbox something and put it together for you. Now, obviously this is a Ryobi, and it's a lawnmower. Now, most people are used to the battery powered, or now they have a riding lawnmower that's also battery powered. I don't really get why you pay for that. Now if you're looking for something small, they have a 16-inch, 13 amp plug-in electric lawnmower. This one is, for some reason, hard to find. It's a 20-inch plug-in 13 amp electric lawnmower. While searching the internet, I couldn't find a single video on this lawnmower except for the promotional video. So that's why I'm showing it to you. Let's get going. As you can see, the box is a normal box. Doesn't really say anything special on the outside, just lots of things what it comes with. Push mower. Doesn't come with a dog. But let's look inside. Let's take a peek. By the way, if you're new to the channel or if you just don't know, that's Mower. And that black blob over there is Dexter. Mower is new to the family, young and very rambunctious. Nice bagger. I like that they didn't use foam. Everything nowadays seems to come with foam. Here is the power cord. So I gotta put you down so I can lift this out of the box. Be nice if they made it a little easier to get it out of the box. Instructions. Pretty much a done deal when it comes to lawnmowers. Packaging is pretty minimal. It's nice. That's all the packaging we have for this lawnmower. So let's see. Here on the side you have a adjustable. You can be one up or one down for your own comfort level. So on the side you can pull that, turn to the side so it doesn't lock on you. You can raise it up for very, very slight elevation difference. Up for the handle. See, my neighbors have finally decided to wake up for the day. And this is slightly adjustable. Your own comfort. Or anything, but it's nice to not have to over when you're mowing. Fun when I make it best. is clearly easy enough for any normal person to put together fairly quick. As you can see, I didn't really have to look at the instructions. Obviously, you can. I recommend looking at the instructions for pretty much anything you put together, especially if you're not familiar with it or just good at putting things together. Fortunately, I have had a Ryobi lawnmower before. It was the Ryobi 20-inch battery powered. It was also great. I had no problem with that. I ran that thing into the ground in a good way. Served me very well. Nice and tight. I got these two where I want them. This out. Always save your instructions. Also, little tidbit. Ryobi has a great warranty, so definitely make sure that you register your product, because their warranty is fairly second to none. So you have the back, if you wanted to. Now that we know how to attach and detach the bag and put the stopper in, let's take a peek around. Flip it over, see how simple it is, see if it's complicated. So, obviously you have these adjusters. You have these adjusters for the up and down. You have the bar that every lawnmower pretty much has. This is to hold your extension cord. There's a picture on the side. Again, doesn't come with the puppy. There's a picture right here just in case you forget what this and this is for. So that your extension cord that you plug into doesn't just come undone. The lawnmower itself, pretty light. There's no real motor, gas powered or anything like that, so pretty light. There's no extra batteries that you need to worry about. There's the up and down lever for both the front and back wheels. It's pretty easy to do. Take a peek underneath. See how complicated this electric mower is. And it's not. It's pretty simple. This comes with a blade, so that's really nice. Ryobi makes their own blades, so whenever you do go to replace it, you pretty much have to get their own specific blade. It's same cost as every other blade. Now, let's get it hooked up and see how it runs. Well, now that I got it all hooked up with the proper sized extension cord, because this is 13 amps and you need a thick extension cord. Let's see how she runs. Let me get off the concrete and away from the puppy before I do any mowing. Here real quick. Lower it pretty low because my yard needs it. I like to start it with the mower a little tilted up like that so that the blade is free of anything when it's starting. Just so you guys know, there's also a grayish white button right here on the side. So you push that in and then you pull the handle. That's pretty good. My air's fairly uneven and the grass is high. I'm gonna get going. Thanks for stopping by.